This looks amazing. I'm gonna see what this tastes like. Hey doofus, you didn't show him how you made it. Oh, that's right. Hang on a minute. So I'm hungry today for a good burger. No, not just a good burger, an awesome burger. So I'm gonna be making a triple decker burger for lunch today. I'm gonna be putting jalapenos on it, red onions, bacon, and I'm gonna be cooking everything on the Weber Kettle using the Lodge cast iron. I think it's a pizza pan, but I use it like a griddle. And it's amazing to cook on over charcoal. It gets a nice sear on the burgers. So I'm gonna get started right now. So here's a look at the ingredients. Got 3 nice hunks of hamburger, some bacon, red onion, some jalapeno, a good bun. I'm just gonna be hitting it with salt and pepper. I'm not even gonna sauce this. I just love a good burger with no sauce on it if possible. If you like it with sauce, throw it on there. But when you've got bacon, jalapenos, and red onions on here with that good cast iron sear, I don't think you need it. So I've got the griddle heating up on the kettle here. Let's see how it's looking. It's looking nice and hot. I'm gonna do a temperature check with my infrared thermometer. Over 500 degrees. That's pretty good. I think we're ready to start. First thing I wanna get on here is this red onion and these jalapenos. Just gonna get a nice little sear on them. Now these are starting over here. I'm just going to slide them over a little bit now. I just want to throw my bun on here for a couple minutes just to get a little toasty. You can do this with this cast iron griddle or pizza pan, whatever you want to call it, over a gas grill or on the stove even. But I like doing it over charcoal outdoors. One of the reasons is the amount of smoke it produces. Check this here. Oh yeah, that's good. I want to get it too burned. There we go. Toasty. I'm going to start on my bacon now. Can you hear that sizzle? It's kind of bright out here in the sun, but wanted to bring you along to see this. Bacon doesn't take a whole long time on this really hot griddle. And the other thing is I kind of like my bacon floppy. I know a lot of people like it crispy, but I like it to have a little bit of flop to it. Okay, these onions and jalapenos are looking good. I'm going to get them off. That's looking really good. I think we are just about ready to get our burgers on. This bacon's just about how I like it. That piece, that one's a little bit overdone for me, but I'm going to take it off there. Get this one flipped once. And we are good with bacon. Time to get our burgers on. Gonna smash these down. All right, let's let these get a good sear on them. I'm gonna hit them with some salt and pepper right now. Salt. Generous hit of salt and pepper. And these aren't gonna take a whole long time to cook. Let's give them a flip. Look at that. Got that nice crusty sear on the outside. Get these with a little salt and pepper on this side. That is searing and popping. See how these are coming? After a while you get pretty good at by touch. I mean, I like mine about medium. Break the crust here. I'm gonna flip them one more time. The other thing I like about using this griddle is you can do this. Move it around. If you have heat on one side and you want to slide it off, move the burgers to the other side and keep this over the fire, you can do that. We're getting close to being done here. just can't beat cast iron outside, where you can get it super hot and not have to worry about smoke. Yeah, these two are just about right. This one just takes a little bit more. I think it was off the edge a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit my mouth around this burger. I was hoping to get these smashed a little more. It didn't work out that way, so I don't know. Triple may turn into a double. We'll see. All right, and we are done. Let's get this inside and build our burger. It is time to build this burger. Let's go. Ooh, a little char. I like char. All right, so I was going to do a triple. I don't think I can fit a triple on this now, so I'm going to have to play around with this. Going to lay some bacon strips here. Going to get our first patty on there. Stack some onions there. This is going to be rather tall. All right. Let's put a lid on this. Smash it down. Let's see what this tastes like. All right. I'm going to name this the 3-1 burger because I just couldn't get that third patty in there. I'm going to have to squish it down to bite into it, but here goes. Oh, those jalapenos. Look at that. Oh, this is good. Next time I'm going to try and get those patties thinner. I didn't do a good job with that this time, but that's a substantial burger. Oh, one more. I would call that 90% a success. Just that last patty that I couldn't get smashed down enough to get in there and be realistically able to bite it. There's no point in trying to throw all 3 patties on there if I can't unhinge my jaw to get a bite of it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this 3-1 burger. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. It sure does help. And if you're interested in anything I used in this video, I'll put links in the description down below. That way you can check them out yourself. If this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell if you want to get notifications anytime I put out a new video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'm going to eat some more burger and I'll see you again soon. This is so good.